Hey everyone, welcome back to Aerodynamic. Today, we have something truly special, Volkswagen's bold revival of two of its most iconic models. That's right, the legendary Beetle and the stunning Karmann Ghia are making a comeback in 2025, and VW has taken a daring step to reimagine them for the modern era. Are they just another retro revival, or has Volkswagen created something extraordinary? Let's find out. Volkswagen knows how to blend nostalgia with innovation, and the 2025 Beetle is a perfect example of that. While keeping its signature round silhouette, the new Beetle has evolved into an electric masterpiece. It now sits on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same foundation as the ID. Buzz and ID.3, offering an all-electric powertrain that's efficient, fun, and packed with personality. The design, it's unmistakably a Beetle, but sleeker, more aerodynamic, and with modern LED lighting that gives it a futuristic edge. Inside, Volkswagen has crafted a minimalist, tech-focused cabin with a digital cockpit, a floating infotainment screen, and sustainable materials throughout. But the real surprise, it's not just a coupe anymore. Rumors suggest a convertible version is in the works, bringing back the joy of open-air driving. And then, there's the Karmann Ghia, a name that sends chills down the spine of classic car lovers. Volkswagen has taken a bold approach with this one. Unlike the Beetle, which sticks to its familiar design, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a complete reinterpretation. It's lower, sleeker, and takes inspiration from Porsche's Taycan and Audi's e-tron GT. It's an electric grand tourer, built for performance and style. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, you'll find a dual-motor AWD system pushing out around 400 horsepower. That means a 0 to 60 mph time in the low 4-second range. Not bad for a name once associated with a humble Volkswagen Flat 4. Inside, the Karmann Ghia continues its luxury approach, with high-end finishes, driver-focused technology, and a driving experience that's designed to rival high-performance EVs. But here's the big question, will these cars actually live up to their legendary names? Volkswagen has played it safe with some recent models, but with the 2025 Beetle and Karmann Ghia, they're showing they're not afraid to shake things up. An all-electric future doesn't mean we have to lose the cars we love, it just means they get a second chance to shine. So, what do you think? Has Volkswagen nailed it with these Reborn classics, or should they have stayed in the past? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more dynamic automotive content. This is Aerodynamic, and I'll see you in the next video.